if the image of the point P x1 y1 with respect to the straight mirror ax plus by plus c equal to 0, b x2 y2, then x2 minus x1 divided by a is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by b is equal to 2 lambda, where lambda is given by the options are ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. Second option is minus times ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square square root. Third option is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. And the last option is minus times ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. Since P and Q are on opposite sides and are at equal distances because they form the images, we get ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to minus times ax2 plus by2 plus c. Treat it as 1. Also, product of slopes is y2 minus y1 into x2 minus x1 into minus a upon b is equal to minus 1. That is, y2 minus y1 upon b is equal to x2 minus x1 upon a is equal to a times x2 minus x1 plus b times y2 minus y1 upon a square plus b square. Here we have used the relation if a upon b is equal to c upon d, and this is equal to ka plus mc divided by lb plus md. So this becomes ax2 plus by2 minus ax1 plus by1 upon a square plus b square, or it can be written as ax2 plus by2 plus c minus ax1 plus by1 plus c. Using first we get minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square using 1. That is, option D is correct. If a, x1, x2 are in GP with common ratio R and b, y1, y2 are in GP with common ratio S, then the area of the triangle A comma B, B x1 y1, C x2 y2 is option A, half AB into R minus 1 into S minus 1 whole modulus. Second option, half modulus of AB into R plus 1 into S plus 1. Third option is half modulus of AB into R minus 1 into S minus 1 into S minus R. And the last option is half AB R plus 1 S plus 1 into R plus S. The series in GPR A x1 x2 with common ratio R. Therefore, AR square, as x1 will be equal to AR, x2 will be equal to AR square. B, y1, y2 are again in GP with common ratio S. That is B, BS square, as y1 equal to bs, y2 equal to bs square. Now area of the triangle ABC is half of AB1, x1, y1, 1 in the second row, x2, y2, 1 in the third row, which is equal to half of AB1 in the first row, AR, BS, 1 in the second row, AR square, BS square, 1 in the third row. Pulling out A common from the first column, B common from the second column, we get half of AB into first row 1 1 1 R S 1 R square S square 1, which when we use 1 1 1 ABC, A square B square C square, here C is 1, we know the value is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So here the value will be half AB into R minus S into S minus 1 into 1 minus R, which can be written as half of modulus of AB into R minus S into R minus 1 into S minus 1, which is option C.